You asked, how to divide 8,455 by 5 using the long division method. 8 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 34 minus 30 equals 4. Bring down 5, making 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 minus 45 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1,691.